Raghavendra. I am studying second standard. I am going to talk about Independence Day. On August 15th, we celebrate our Independence Day. Our country was ruled by the British for many years. We got freedom on this day in 1947. First Prime Minister of Independent India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First President of Independent India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. India will complete 79 years of freedom and celebrate its 80th Independence Day. We remember our freedom fighters who worked hard for our country. They sacrificed their lives for our country. On this day, we host our pretty tricolor flag and sing the national anthem. Independence Day is a national festival. This day teaches us unity. It fills us with love for our country. It symbolizes unity, democracy, and the diversity of India. We are proud to be an Indians. I love my country very much. And I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you to all guys.